Let me tell you something. Stop posting. Stop posting right now until you watch this video from start to finish. If you are posting and you are not getting views, if you are posting and you are not getting likes, if you are posting and you are not getting watch hours, then this video may be all you need to start getting everything right. Most of us upload our videos from our YouTube channel using the plus sign at the bottom in the middle. And that is a very wrong way to go about uploading your video. If you upload your video that way, you are not able to optimize all the features that YouTube has made available for creators to enable their videos to reach a far audience. If this kind of video interests you, then you would like to subscribe to this channel and also press the like button so that most creators like you and I will get to see this video and optimize all the necessary features that will let our videos go far and wide. Hi, my name is Edwina and you are so welcome to my channel. Without wasting my time, let us go through the step-by-step process of uploading our videos the right way. You first go to your browser. I am using Chrome. So when it opens, you type studio.youtube.com. After that, you select your YouTube studio, and then that opens your channel's dashboard. You come to your dashboard and then you see this arrow that points up. So yes, that is where you can load your video. This arrow that is pointing up is an option where you can use to load your videos. However, I want us to use this other option, which gives us multiple options. So here you can upload video, you can go live, you can create a post, you can create a new playlist or a podcast. So you select create video or whatever you are coming to do. Okay, now when you come here, depending on where your video is, you select. If it's in your photo library, you choose that. If it's a video you now want to take, or if it's in your files, you go to choose files. One thing I want to say when it comes to the files is that every file you create automatically is given a name. And these names are mostly names that the algorithm cannot figure out because there are some numbers and all that, okay? So what you would want to do here is to rename the file. Rename the file to align with the topic of your video so that the keywords in your topic can be figured out by YouTube, and then YouTube knows who this file belongs to. So you want to rename the file even before you load it. Okay, it is important that the name you are giving to the file is in line with the title of your video, and it also has the keywords that will utilize the YouTube search engine. The video details, I'm going to use one of my old videos to go through that. So you select the video, you write the topic of the video, and then you give details what the video is talking about. If you have any hashtags, you add it to the details. Now you have the option to select a thumbnail. After selecting a thumbnail, do not forget to add the video to your playlist. If the video belongs to any of the categories of playlists you've created, you add it to it. If the video is new and does not belong in any of your old playlists, what you would need to do is to now create a new playlist. So you go down, you select new playlist and create a new playlist and put the video in that playlist. Okay, after that, You select whether the video was made for children or not. And then when you are done with that, you go to make the video public. Because if the video is private, you are the only person seeing it. You make the video public. You would also want to add end screens. So end screens are the last videos you see when the video ends, the videos you are recommending next to your viewer. That is the end screen. So you make sure you select end screens that are in line with the video you just loaded. After that, you can also add cards. Now, when you are done with that, you come to show more, okay? And there are options here that you do not see when you use normal YouTube to upload your videos. When you come to show more, then you come to category. It is very important to pay attention to this because this put your video in your category, and then it makes it easy for viewers to see. Now, when you come to your category, based on what your video is about, you choose a category. Is it about auto and vehicle? Is it about comedy? Is it education? Is it entertainment? Whatever your video is about, choose your category. So you realize that when we came here it was education, but I realized this video is about how to and style. So I've changed it from education to how to and style to make sure that the video is in the right category. After that, you save. If you do not save, everything you have done here will not change. The next thing you would want to do is to go back to your settings. Here you are going to check whether the keywords in your just uploaded video as part of your channel's keywords. So you go back to settings, you go to channel. If your location have not been set right, you do that. After that, you check your keywords to find out if the keywords in the video you just uploaded can be found here. If the keywords in the video you just uploaded cannot be found here, you would need to add it. Ask yourself, what are the likely keywords somebody is likely to search for this video to pop up? And then you add those keywords. So this is how to upload your video the right way. You all agree with me that most of the features we saw here and utilized are features you wouldn't see if you upload your videos through the plus sign on your YouTube channel. What this means is that if you upload your video through your YouTube channel, when you are done uploading the video, you will still need to come here to make the most out of these features, in order not to forget that, because it is from one platform to another. That is why I would advise that you come here and be able to do everything all together at once. Please consider subscribing if you found value in this video. Now, the very last thing I would entreat all of us to do after uploading your videos, what do you do? Immediately after uploading your video, you need to initiate the process. Don't upload a video and leave it and go and sit down and hope and pray that the video performs well. No, what you have to do is you need to get a different account, a friend, anybody, family, anybody close to you's account, and watch the video with that account immediately after uploading. Watch the video with a different account, like and leave a comment. That gives YouTube a positive feedback that people are interested in this video, so that immediately the video was uploaded, they started watching, and that makes YouTube push the video to a wider audience. Guys, I hope we've all learned a thing or two from this video, and moving on, we are all going to optimize these features to make sure that the work we put into making these videos do not go in vain. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you in my next video. Bye.